This video will demonstrate how to use 922S5 proxy on a Windows system. First, open the 922S5 client. On the port proxy page, click Filters to select the conditions such as country or region from which you want to extract IPs, then click Confirm. After the proxy list refreshes, locate an IP you want to extract, right-click on it, and forward it to an available port. Next, click the Port Forward List button below, find the IP you just extracted, and click the Copy button on the right to copy the IP and port information. Then, open the Start menu, find the Settings option, and click to enter. Select Network Settings, then on the left, find Proxy Settings and click to switch. Scroll down to find Manual Proxy Setup, click the toggle button below to enable the proxy, and paste the IP and port information you copied from 922S5. Once pasted, click Save. Finally, open your browser and visit IPinfo to check your current IP information. You will see that the IP matches the one extracted from 922S5, confirming that the proxy setup is successful.